Listen, NEET is not just an exam anymore. NEET has become a system that decides your rank, your college, your fees, and honestly, your next 10 years. Now, here's the scary part. Most students prepare for NEET, but they don't prepare for what happens after NEET. And every year, that's where students lose the game. Today, I'll explain what's new happening in the NEET ecosystem and how to make smart decisions without panic. Let's start with what's trending in the news. First, NEET integrity and exam security are again in the spotlight. There have been fresh discussions and reports about leaks, investigations, and calls to change how the exam is conducted. Now, I'm not here to do news drama. I'm here to tell you what it means for your decision making. Second, counseling timelines and processes continue to evolve each year, and the official counseling process remains centralized through MCC for key quotas. Third, the medical education system is expanding seats in different states. Seat expansions keep happening, and that changes cutoffs and strategy over time. So yes, the system is moving. And when the system moves, students must update their strategies. Now listen carefully. The biggest mistake students make after NEET is this. They start making decisions in fear mode. This is called loss aversion. When you're scared of losing, you choose the nearest option, not the best option. Example, a student sees cutoffs are rising. They panic. They lock random choices. They overpay. And later they realize they didn't even understand the seat type, quota, or ROI. NEET doesn't just test biology, it tests your psychology. Let me show you 4 brain traps that hit NEET students. Trap 1. Herd mindset. Everyone is choosing MBBS, so I must choose MBBS. But sometimes your best path is BDS, BSc Nursing, Physiotherapy, or Allied Health. Your life is not a group project. Trap 2. Anchoring. You hear one number. Someone got MBBS at this rank, and you anchor to it. But ranks vary by state, category, round, and seat matrix. Trap 3. Sunk cost fallacy. I already spent 2 years preparing. I must take anything. No, time spent is not a reason to choose a wrong college. Trap 4. Scarcity panic. Seats are limited. I must lock now. Yes, seats are limited, but panic makes you choose blind. Your goal is not any seat. Your goal is the right seat. Now let's talk about the bigger picture. Medical education in India is expanding. Seats are being increased in different places, and regulations continue to evolve. What does this do? It creates 2 realities. Reality 1. More seats can mean more chances for students over time. Reality 2. More seats also increases the number of graduates. So competition shifts from getting MBBS to getting a strong career pathway after MBBS. Which means if you are entering medicine now, you must think beyond admission. Think skills, specialization, residency planning, and long-term ROI. Now, I'll give you a simple framework. Use this to make decisions like a professional, not like a panicked student. I call it the calm rule. C. Compare with data. Don't compare colleges by Instagram reels. Compare by seat type, bond rules, fee structure, hospital exposure, and location. A. Avoid one-shot decisions. Don't lock your whole future in one round. Keep backup options ready. L. Look beyond MBBS. If MBBS isn't happening at your rank, don't destroy your mental health. Explore BDS, nursing, BPT, paramedical, pharma, public health. Medicine is a field, not a single seat. M. Money and mentorship. If a college is expensive, calculate ROI and always talk to someone who understands counseling rules and documentation. This calm rule saves students every year. Now the last part, your quick action plan. In the next 72 hours, do this. Write your non-negotiables. Budget, city, course. Create 3 lists: dream, target, safety. Keep documents ready early because most losses happen due to small documentation mistakes during counseling. Official counseling happens through MCC and state systems, so treat it like a formal process. And finally, don't let NEET pressure force you into a wrong decision. A calm student makes better choices than a panicked topper. If you want, I can also make the next video on MBBS versus BDS versus nursing, which is future-proof in India. Comment MED and I'll make it. And if you need help understanding counseling options, you can reach out. One correct decision here can save you years.